Next up, the Greywater Industrial Zone. This is a level 23 area, and in this quick video, I'll be showing you the location of the mystical crate, as well as the weapon and armor crates, and of course the anchor too. This is located in the tier 3 zone, all the way up here. Zooming in, right over here is where we'll be heading. We'll start with the rift anchor first. This area seems super tame. There's not really many AI shooting at me in the area, so it's a nice break from that. We'll activate this rift tower and continue. Okay, so first of all, we'll need to head towards the main building over here, starting from the bridge just over here, and we'll head across this. You should immediately see a red glow from inside. That should be the mythical crate that we're going to get to. However, of course, we can't get to it just yet, but next to it on the side of the fence, you'll find the gear crate located over here. You'll need to do this from the outside. However, we'll need to use an elevator to get to the inside section. We'll be doing that in just a moment. In order to get inside there to get the weapon crate, and of course the mystical crate, we'll need to head out and up this section here. Then from the top, we'll be heading across and dealing with the mini boss that's roaming around here. Now, inside of this building over here, which is the main building, right over here, we'll find a similar looking layout. Just to our right should be the weapon crate, or whatever it is over here. In order to get to it, head up the left side of the building, then all the way to the top, as such, across, around the back, by heading up here. Then we'll do a bit of parkour to get up here, hop up once more, hop onto this pillar, and head across, where we'll then be dropping down over here. Head along this railing, or walkway, until we reach this section, where we can finally jump down, or take the ladder down to reach the weapon crate over here. And this is the loot that I got from it. Sweet. We can now head back up, and now we just need the mystical crate. We've already seen where it is, but how do we get to it? In order to get downstairs, head back to this main blue building, and just inside of it to the left, you'll find an elevator. This is what we need to take in order to get down there. So we'll hit F here to use the elevator. We'll need to climb into it, and once the door fully opens, we can tell it to start, which should take us down. When you get down here, be prepared for enemies to be stuck around the elevator. It's kind of a glitchy thing, but inside of here, we can start making our way towards the mythical crate. So taking our left immediately, you should find this room here, which we can simply head across to and use. There we go. We've now grabbed the mythical crate here. On top of this, just to your right, you'll see yet another weapon case. This is a bonus one and isn't actually counted towards this for some reason, or well, it is if you haven't picked up the other one already. So we'll go ahead and loot it. And from inside of here, we get all of these. Pretty good. Anyways, that's really it for this area. It was super annoying to find my way down here, but once you know how to do it, it's not too bad. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.